get clean.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Yusuf. Let's learn Wudu, step by step. Let's start. First, we say Bismillah. Now we wash our hands 3 times. Right hand, left hand. Next, we rinse our mouth 3 times. Swish, swish. Spit it out. Now we clean our nose 3 times. In gently, out gently. Next, we wash our face 3 times, top to bottom, all clean. Now, we wash our arms. Right arm first, then left arm. Now, we wipe our head, front to back. And we clean our ears, inside, outside. Last, we wash our feet, right foot, left foot, between the toes. All done. Your wudu is complete. You can do wudu like this too before we go for salah. Let's see it one more time. Bismillah. Wash hands. Rinse mouth. Clean nose. Wash face. Wash arms. Wipe head. Clean ears. Wash feet. All clean. See you next time with another beautiful learning. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.